I am Mukund. I've been working with LinTech and LinOff organization for over 30 years. I was introduced to SOLIDWORKS in 2011. Last 13 years, I have been using it very happily.
I'm Jin Han. I'm working in Cuba as a CTO more than 30 years. We have been a SOLIDWORKS customer since 2016. Until today, SOLIDWORKS is still a very important core part in our design development process.
สวัสดีครับผมเจษฎานนท์ศรีครับมาจาก Western Digital Thailand ครับถ้าตั้งแต่มหาลัยจนถึงณตอนนี้ครับที่ทำงานที่ Western Digital นะครับก็ใช้มาทั้งหมดประมาณ 20 ปีแล้วครับผม
My name is Iman Nosrati, the engineering manager at Time and Tankers from Australia. All my career, 28 years, every places I work, every project I finished was with SOLIDWORKS.
Whenever we had some issues, SOLIDWORKS and its distributors have been very helpful.
What makes us remain as a SOLIDWORKS customers is mainly really because of they always revolve based on the industry needs.
มันสามารถทำงานได้ง่าย 2. SOLIDWORKS สามารถลดข้อผิดพลาดของผมได้ ข้อ 3. มันสามารถที่จะส่งออกไปทั่วโลกได้
It's the culture of the teamwork. They can work together on different aspects of a big project and deliver it together.
In next 30 years, I would like to see SOLIDWORKS integrating many upcoming tools.
SOLIDWORKS can help us to design even more things out of our scope, then maybe even smart cities, things like that.
สามารถทำงาน on mobile ได้ on cloud ได้ สามารถทำงานร่วมกับ AI ได้
I see SOLIDWORKS in future as I see it exactly as today, leading the market, the best technology you can get.
These 10 years, we have seen our people happily using it. Our team is very much impressed with the innovations.
It's not just a powerful tools, they are more like a platform to empower creativities.
You always have peace of mind because you know they look after you with the latest technology and you can design the best ever product in the market.
Happy birthday SOLIDWORKS
Happy birthday, SOLIDWORKS!
And many more years of excellence!